Hi, good afternoon. Myself, Muhammad Rizwan Alam. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I will talk about the definition and importance of marketing. Let's see what is the definition of marketing. Marketing is a process. This means this is not an incident. This is not a sudden occurrence for any business organization. Instead, this is a process. This means step by step activity of any functionality for any company. So it's about process of what? Process of identifying customer. So number one is identifying customer. Sequence may be not in proper order, but typical order can be about knowing customer. Number two element is supplying the products to the same identified customer with right price, creating awareness and to their satisfaction. In other words, we can say marketing is any continuous activity of an organization which is about knowing their customers, catering to them with the right products and reasonable price, and create satisfaction to them, which all take the company towards profitability. Philip Kotler also talks about the concept of marketing. He summarizes his thoughts on marketing as marketing is about identifying the customer, creating value, and bringing satisfaction to them for a profit. Many other authors also talk about marketing definition. Seth Godin, he talks about marketing in detail, and Armstrong, he also talks about marketing, and Kelleher is also there to talk about marketing. So in common language, we can say marketing is about selling the products at a reasonable price to the customer for some values. Marketing is also about support to the sales function. Marketing acts as the brain to the sales, which is like limbs or legs. Marketing is about intelligence, while sales is about revenue generation. So for any company, marketing is there, and that's very important. Now let's know what is the meaning of marketing. What is the importance of marketing? Marketing is important for the companies, small, medium, and large, because without marketing, they cannot know the customer, they cannot engage them, they cannot boost sales, they cannot help selling activities. So when a company wants to know their customers, their needs and wants, preferences, grievances, competitions, market share, and so many things in the market, this is where the role of marketing comes in. And when marketing comes into action, this makes effort to bring out the right, useful and effective product to the customer or to the market. For this, of course, sales people, they become happy because when they have good products, find it easy to sell in the market. So marketing and selling department, they come together, they discuss the matter, and they make strategies, and then they supply the products to the right customer. Today almost all the companies, manufacturing or distributors or the retailers, they heavily engage in marketing activities. Some companies like Unilever, it's also very much into marketing, but though this company is more into manufacturing, but the company always understands and focuses on marketing activities. Amazon company is very much into sales and marketing, and they are on top because of selling and marketing focus. Their orientation is more towards on selling and marketing. Lots of banking sectors, insurance sectors, they are also into customer relationship. They are basically into knowing the customers, tapping them, and selling their products and services. So to make marketing more successful, they have to have database, customer understanding, consumer engagement, creating awareness to them, and rewarding them, especially those who are loyal to their products, organizations. So everywhere people are into selling, organizations are into selling and marketing. So we'll talk more about marketing and especially marketing mix in the next video, which will be the series of my marketing channel. Thank you so much, and if you like, please give your comment, subscribe, and give your likings. Thank you so much. Bye bye.